So, hey, it's me one more time. I just received my little camp stove that I got off of Amazon, and it's so cool. It's the when you don't have a place or you don't want to hook up your gas stove, which I have a camping gas stove. When you don't want to hook that up and you just want something simple, this was just a little wood burning camp stove, and it goes great with my utensils, my little pots and pans that I have. I'm gonna turn this back around. There goes my grandson. I'm gonna turn this back around so you can see how I put it together. It's very compact. It will fit in my backpack. It's awesome. You can use pine cones. You can use those those prickly little balls that come off of the trees. I don't know what you call those. Pine needles. You can use little sticks, and you can have your little fire up underneath there. Or you can take you a little bag of charcoal. But then you have to take lighter fluid. You have to take a lighter, and then you got to put it out. Da, 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 blah blah blah. So yada yada yada. Here is my little stove or yeah, stove, not oven, stove. Hold on. There it is. It is so cool. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces with a mesh bag. So the way that you put it together is you take the bottom one that does not have any kind of little slots or anything. So you put that down. Let me get that out of the way. Put that down. Then this one has slots in it. And then it has spaces up here at the top. So then that goes next. And this is a gas one wood burning stove. So you have that. And then you can either just put the grill grate down like that. And whoops, I forgot the most important thing. This little thing, you put water in it or put it on the grill. But I think it's supposed to go down in here. It didn't come with directions, which I'm a little disappointed. But it's okay. I'll figure it out. I figured that much out anyhow. But it's a pretty good size. There's my hand. So just to tell you how small it is. Then you can put that on it. Then this piece actually comes like this. I'm sitting in my floor as I'm putting this thing together. Seemed like the easiest thing to do. But when it's folded up, that's what it looks like. Just like that. So then you just unfold it like so, and so, and then it fits right down in there like that. So with that, you can take all this off, and that's where you can put your pine cones, your little sticks, and all that kind of stuff. Now I may be doing this incorrectly, but this is the way I'm going to do it. Let me get it back on there. It also comes with this. I've never been a steamer or anything, so I'm not sure how to even use that thing, but I'll put that off to the side. But my other pieces that I got are stainless steel, and they are a 3-piece set. This is one. And this is another pot. And then it comes with a lid. So I have a 3-piece set, and once you put it all together, there's that set, and it goes in that mesh bag. And then this set, once you finish and it cools off and you've rinsed everything off, you just take it back apart. So this would all just be folded back in, like so. Take the grate out, take this out, take this out, all that to the side. Let's turn this upside down, and it fits down in there upside down. This will fit on top of that piece. Grate would be the last thing. Then that turns upside down. Oops. Put that in there like that. And then this would fit down in there. This would fit down in there. And then your grate goes on top. So I'm going to have to put my phone down to show you the rest of this. So once you have all of your pieces put together, you just slip it back into the mesh bag. And I'm trying to do this without even looking at my phone, so this goes in your little mesh bag. Poof. And there you have it. So it's all together. Then this 3-piece goes in its mesh bag. And poof, you have that one. And you have this one. And that's all you need. So I hope this was helpful. I got super excited whenever I saw that it had been delivered. I was like, oh, yay, my little stove. It's like, wow, it's like the size of my face. So anyhow, I got it off of Amazon. It's real cheap. It's super duper cheap. But yeah, hopefully that will work. It's all stainless steel, so should be easy to clean up as well. So anyhow, y'all take care. Bye.